off. We come down there, Ken.
Where at?
We're down there. There he is, right there. Above that rock. We might still camp the land. He comes out in the deep water. We put a little pressure on it. It's right underneath us. Heavy fish. It's coming up. Look at that beautiful son of a gun right there.